Behind the glamorous posts and exciting unboxings lies a messy truth. Managing brand partnerships can be overwhelming. Let's just face it, being an influencer is hard. With all the countless emails, deliverables, contracts, and video requirements, it's easy to miss important deadlines, to overlook potential partnerships, find time to do all of your video editing and recording and publishing and promoting, and just get buried in all of your administrative and paperwork tasks. It can be a mess. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be. After 4 years of working with other influencers and helping them manage and organize their influencer business, I've consolidated everything I've learned into one simple system that's helped me keep track of everything in one simple place. It's called the Influencer's Companion. The Influencer's Companion is built in Notion specifically for you, the content creator or influencer who's looking to maximize their influencer opportunities. This one system is going to help you track, organize, target, and analyze all of your influencer campaigns. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside of it. You're going to have the Campaign Companion and its dashboards. Now, this is the heart and soul of the system. The Campaign Companion is going to allow you to track all of your sponsorship opportunities in one place, manage your brand relationships effectively, and make sure that you never miss a deadline or deliverable again. Then you have the Content Companion, which is going to help you tremendously with all of your video and your social media efforts. The Content Companion provides you a complete scripting formula to allow you to script effective YouTube videos and to make sure that nothing falls through the cracks in the process. It's also going to help you streamline your content creation workflows, help you organize your scripts, assets, and publishing schedules, and track your performance metrics across all social media platforms. And then you have the Financial Companion, which is where you're going to be able to keep track of all of your income and your expenses. So you'll monitor your earnings and your campaign payouts. You'll manage all of your expenses and your costs and your subscriptions and any budgets that were given to you by any brand partnerships. And it's also going to allow you to track all of your affiliate link performance. And so you could be able to run some analytics to see what's working for you and what's not, what's worth your time and what's not. Then you'll have the Administrative Companion, which is where you're going to keep track of all your tasks and events. It's going to help you store your brand assets and your guidelines, help you manage all of your contracts and your legal documents, give you a library for all of your forms, and one place where you can access everything from everywhere. And what's great about using this in Notion is that now you have access, whether you're on your cell phone or your computer, from everywhere that you have Notion downloaded. So it's a complete system that you can take with you on the go to make sure that you're able to track, manage, analyze, and access your data anywhere that you are. So make sure that you download the Influencer's Companion today. The link will be in the description, or you can simply go to theinfluencerscompanion.com. What you're going to get when you download this template, you're going to get the complete Notion system with the 4 integrated companions, all with their own complete set of dashboards. You get video tutorials for quick setup and best practices. You'll get regular updates and improvements as I make tweaks to it, and you'll get access to exclusive influencer resources that nobody else is going to have access to as part of this community. So don't leave money on the table. Make sure that you're able to track, manage, organize, and analyze all of your influencer campaigns with ease. You can do that by downloading the Influencer Companion. Use the link in the description. And if you're looking for more ways to simplify your influencer business so that you can be more efficient, scalable, profitable, and productive, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll get new resources as they become available to you. And hey, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section. So comment down below. Let me know what types of things are holding you up with your influencer business, and maybe we'll do a video about it. But nonetheless, I'd love to hear from you. So until the next time, I'm your boy Paul, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.